Want to turn your still photos into captivating animations? Learn how to animate images in Canva with this easy-to-follow tutorial. Discover the Magic Grab tool and create stunning animations in just a few clicks. Subscribe now for more creative tips. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to animate a still photo in Canva. It's easier than you might think. Go to the left menu bar and click on Uploads. Select your image and add it to your design. Resize and position the image to fill the entire page. Now, let's get creative. Select the image and go to the Edit Image menu. Choose Magic Studio and select the Magic Grab tool. This tool will analyze your image and make it easier to select specific objects. Select the Click feature if not already selected. It will help to grab the entire object at once. Click on the object you want to animate. In this case, let's animate the Space Shuttle. Then, click the Grab button. Watch as Canva magically separates the Space Shuttle from the background. You can now move the shuttle anywhere you like. Canva has surprisingly recreated the image beneath the Space Shuttle with remarkable accuracy. Don't miss out on the next video, where I'll reveal a secret technique for creating animations in Canva that you won't find anywhere else. Subscribe now and hit that bell icon so you don't miss a beat. To add some movement to the background, select the background image. Then go to the Animate menu. Choose Basic Animations and select Breath. Keep the scale as it is, but change the direction to in. Make sure the background image is slightly larger than the page so that the white background doesn't show when the animation starts. Now, let's animate the Space Shuttle. Select the shuttle and go to the Animate menu again. Choose Create an Animation. Drag the shuttle to the left while holding the Shift key to keep the path straight. The speed of your hand movement will determine the animation speed. Change the movement style to smooth. Reduce the speed to minimum. Rotate the shuttle to align it with the path. Great job! Let's test the animation by clicking the play button. You can experiment with dragging speed and animation speed to sync and create better effect. To download your animated image, go to the Share option and select Download. Choose MP4 video as the file type. If you have a Canva Pro membership, you can download in 4K resolution. Otherwise, HD is perfect for streaming and YouTube videos. Click on Download button to start downloading. That's it! You've just created your first animated image in Canva. It's a simple process that can add a lot of fun and engagement to your content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tips.